Make and do in Spanish equals
hacer,
fast English Spanish verb power. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey there, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free extras at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to power up your Spanish in minutes? Your goal today: connect make and do to one master verb.
hacer,
And use it in action forms like
ella hace, hace,
it makes,
ustedes hacen,
you do, plural, and
ellos hacen,
they do. Your goal today: say it out loud with me and feel the rhythm. Make,
hacer,
do,
hacer,
she does,
ella hace,
it makes,
hace,
you do, plural,
ustedes hacen,
they do.
ellos hacen,
Bonus: we do.
hacemos.
Mini scene: the magic to do button. Listen, smile, and shadow the Spanish bits. You stare at your to-do list, make a plan, do the dishes, call a friend. You press a big glowing button. It makes your coffee.
Hace café.
You grin, she does the playlist.
Ella hace la lista de reproducción.
Your friends arrive, you do the prep together.
Ustedes hacen la preparación.
By the end, they do the final cleanup.
Ellos hacen la limpieza final.
Mission complete. The button winks, as if to say, make and do. In Spanish.
Hacer.
Dialogues you can steal. Shadow these quick lines, keep it punchy. A. Can you make the list today? B. Claro.
Yo hago la lista ahora.
A. It makes everything faster. B. C.
Hace todo más rápido.
A. She does the shopping, right? B. C.
Ella hace las compras.
A. You do the warm-up, I'll time it. B. Veil.
Ustedes hacen el calentamiento.
A. They do the heavy lifting. B. Exacto.
Ellos hacen el trabajo pesado.
Beat and repeat. Clap or tap your desk, speak on the beat. Ha.
CER. Hacer.
Equals make, do.
Ella hace.
She does.
Hace.
It makes.
Ustedes hacen.
You do, plural.
Ellos hacen.
They do. Make.
Hacer.
Do.
Hacer.
Lock it in. Culture tip. Say it like natives. Use the right combos and you'll sound natural. Weather: it is hot.
Hace calor.
Not escalar. Homework: do homework.
Hacer la tarea.
Decisions: make a decision.
Tomar una decisión.
Not.
Hacer una decisión.
Closing parenthesis dot. Plans: make a plan.
Hacer un plan.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, I'll give you a beat to think. Which Spanish verb means make and do? Answer.
Hacer.
Translate: she does. Answer.
Ella hace.
Translate: it makes everything easier. Answer.
Hace.
Todo más fácil. Translate, plural you do the warm-up now. Answer.
Ustedes hacen.
El calentamiento ahora. Translate, they do the report today. Answer.
Ellos hacen.
El informe hoy. Your 24-hour challenge. Small reps, big gains, your turn. Create 5 mini-lines using today's targets. Example set. 1. Make.
Hacer.
Unplan. 2. Do.
Hacer.
La tarea. 3. She does.
Ella hace.
Café. 4. It makes.
Hace.
El trabajo más fácil. 5. You do.
Ustedes hacen.
Ejercicio, they do.
Ellos hacen.
La cena. Say them 3 times today, out loud. Bonus. Record yourself. Hasta pronto. Thanks for learning with me today. You did great, keep practicing make and do with.
Hacer.
Plus.
Ella hace. Hace. Ustedes hacen.
And.
Ellos hacen.
This podcast is powered by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.